In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a user to groups in Google Workspace. This process is crucial for managing your organization's communication and resources, making sure every team member has the access they need. Let's dive right into the steps to get this done seamlessly. First, you'll want to start by navigating to your Google Workspace dashboard. Once you're there, keep your eyes peeled for the directory option. It's typically easy to spot on your dashboard interface. Click on that, and then from the options that appear, select Groups. This is your gateway to managing all the different groups within your organization. Now, a quick note before we proceed further. If your account isn't verified, let's work under the assumption that it is and keep following along with the instructions. Account verification is important, and you might want to get that sorted out for complete access to these administrative functions. Continuing with our task, you'll next need to identify the specific group where you intend to add a new member. You can think of groups as mailing lists, allowing a collection of users to receive messages at a single group address. Once you've pinpointed the group, go ahead and click on it. With this group now highlighted, look for the Add Members button. It should be located in a fairly intuitive spot within that group's main overview. Clicking on Add Members will bring up a dialog or field for member addition. Here, you should have a clear space to enter your new member's email address. Make sure you type the address accurately. Any typo might result in failed additions, so double-check to ensure everything is correct. Once you're confident that the email is perfectly written, hit that Add to Group button. This action finalizes the addition, bringing your new member into the fold of the group's activities and communications. That's all there is to it. By diligently following these steps, you've successfully added a user to a group within Google Workspace. This addition admittedly streamlines coordination within your projects and allows for efficient dissemination of information to all appropriate parties. Keep in mind, managing group memberships effectively can dramatically enhance collaboration efforts, so regular reviews of your group's members can be beneficial. And there you have it. These are the concise yet comprehensive steps to adding a user to a group in Google Workspace. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting your venture into managing workspaces, these instructions should help you confidently navigate your administrative duties. Thanks for tuning in, and don't hesitate to revisit if you need a refresher.